Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video. So this video is getting ready with me for a date. I'm going to have a date with my husband, and so I'm just getting ready for this, and at the same time I'm recording this video. I already did my makeup. This makeup is similar than before. So the flower in the center is called Hua Dian. It is a traditional Chinese makeup. Because for today's date, I'm going to dress up as a Chinese princess. Yay! I have a new set of hanfu. I bought this before the Chinese New Year and it's finally arrived. So this brand is from Hanyi Chendao. I bought this set because I want to replace the other blue hanfu I have because that one is not long enough. The top is size M and the dress part is size large. So why I order size large? So the sizes is not just depends on your weight, it also depends on the height. I am 165 centimeter, so I need large. So if your height is similar to me, you would also choose size large for the skirt part or M. But I prefer longer dress. I want the dress part touch the top of my shoes, not around my ankle. I have been buying a lot of new hanfus. I just really love it. This type, Qixun Ruqun, is my favorite type. Look at the embroidery design. I really like embroidery. This is the top part. And this is the dress part. So this one is a 6-meter dress. And look at the embroidery. Really love it. So in this video, I'm not just like unboxing and trying on the new clothes. I'll also do a new hairstyle. I need to steam it. Wow, it took me over half hour just to steam the dress. I would suggest that you wash it and then let it dry overnight. Just hang there and let it dry. Then the wrinkle on the dress will be a lot better. It still has some wrinkles. Let's do my hair. I'll be doing a new hairstyle. Wow, I can't wait for this look. The hairstyle will be super easy. The first thing is to tie 2 pigtails. Yeah, this is one of the reasons why I want to grow back my hair. You divide it 1 pigtail into 2 pieces. One has more amount and one has less amount. And then you use the bigger braids to tie in the center. After you tied it, then use a bobby pin to keep it in place. The small one, you just make a loop like that, a little bit loop. Ta-da! You just do the same. So this hairstyle works both shorter hair or the long hair. You just use the same way. When I wear this style of hanfu, I like to pull all my hair up. I love it. Some more thing in the center. If I want to hide my hairpin in the back, I could add this in the back. Pull the ribbon through the loop. Ta-da! And not finished yet. Add earring. I think I should put on fake lashes. Ta-da! Wow, just all of a sudden I become more beautiful. What do you think about if I added some like flower tattoo on my neck? I'm not sure if it's a good idea. In Asian Chinese drama, I see some like girls have some flower tattoos around their neck. Maybe I will not do this time. Very beautiful. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the full look of it. So beautiful, so beautiful. I love it. Wow, the color is so close. I bought this one separately and I feel like the color is a bit too dark. Let's be fine if I have other colors. I think because of the material. This part will not fall if you tie it correctly. I really think the fake hair is necessary. It feels like my top really flat, right? If I add a little bit more volume, it looks better. handful. So every time when I wear a handful, it just takes so much time putting on the hair. Wow, it's so beautiful. Oh, really love it. I would love to wear this in several of my videos. It's really pretty.